Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is STL Patreon April 2023 Part 2. We go here and look at your D&D, Warhammer, proxies, or miniatures that you want to 3D print. And basically, you may want to play in your game, or, well, maybe fit in your story or archive it like I do. Like, I archive lots of minis, believe it or not. But also it's a good hobby as well as a very expensive hobby. But it is what it is. I rather pay very few pennies than like $100 on the model. So that's why I 3D print a lot of stuff. Um, Anyhow, we'll look through these. Some of them will be missing. Probably April's stuff. We'll revisit it towards like the mid of the month due to the fact that they haven't actually released some of their stuff out yet, or or it's locked and I can't even look at it. So we'll start at Maja Forge. They have nothing for April. Yay! It's a good start. As Rama, an anime and video game figure. Let's see here. We got that. For April model, we have Dark Magician Girl and Maple from I Max Out My Defense. Actually, it's an okay anime, this one, but I can't wait to see what it actually looks like. And I hope they have big boobas. Booba is key. Booba is it's life. Francis Quest, another anime, DC, anime video game and comic book character figures. Uh, there we go. Now, there, that's safe to see. This is Zelot, our art gem style model extra piece. What else is this person has? A welcome pack. That's for March. So not much stuff out for April for right now. Let's go look at that. Siphon. Um, Still waiting for their stuff in February. They're really late on the stuff. So March model creative 4 days ago. Ghost in the Shell, Skull Knight. They got Alucard out. I gotta ask, what happened to the February ones? February Griff, Raphael. Yeah, February models. I got the February ones. Still waiting for Eldrick Eric, but we'll see. I don't think he's even done with it yet. CA 3D Studio, welcome pack. We got anything for April? No, nothing for April yet. That's March files. So we'll come back to that. A lot. It's kind of sucks. It's the second of April and almost the third of April, and it's a lot harder to get a lot of stuff out. Usually, a lot of stuff's out on the 15th or the 17th, and you'll see a lot of stuff for it. 3D Mojo, another anime figure as well. And we got nothing. I think this is 2 days render. Fairy foil. Uh, these two, I guess. And yeah, those two are for. These two are for April as well. Fall Fairy, I never heard that. I seen her, but I don't remember where she's from. Well, that's gonna be for April. And we have 3D Mom, Athena from King of Fighter for this month. And I believe I don't know who else is going to be in for April. I know she's going to be in April. There's to be one more for April as well. That's May. So yeah, so we have this one from Metal Slug, a very old arcade game. And we got this one from King of Fighters that's coming out this month. Let's see, the next one. You need to My from King of Fighter would be a lot better. Forge Hammer, not a very good Warhammer proxies. Just like Moid, if you want to check out there is Patreons down below as well. We're collaborating with each other. So we have SWAT Team that looks like it's coming out. That's actually pretty cool if it's like 3D. What you call it? Modern D&D modern for those. Dragon Rest for April. We have the Forge, so you can print out a Forge piece for it. And you can actually get a lot of stuff from this. Not just the Forge, but like the whole terrain pieces from several months. So you actually have actual individual terrain pieces that you can actually work with. This is actually pretty good to use in D&D. And I just have a lot of stuff to print and make and stuff like that as well. So Cross Lance, we have. Let's see what we have for Cross Lance April teaser for it. So looks like we have Tabaxis, a bard, a monk, and a spellcaster. I think that's more of a druid because I see antlers on his head. Yeah, so we have 3 Tabaxis for Cross Lance for it, and that's probably your free STL files right there if you want some goofy cartoonish gators. D Namu 3D. See here. Why are you locking it? Well, we'll come back to it. Usually they'll release it. STL miniatures. April, they like to. Everyone's doing it. I don't understand why everyone is doing it. For it. We might have to come back to this one. Usually they never do this, but yeah. STL miniatures is actually really good miniatures for it. Bruno Art 3D STL. So we have Medallion Pyro. I have no idea where she's from. Probably Marvel. Vixen from Marvel. I believe. No, that's March. And yeah. So usually these 3 has to be changed for next month. So next month we'll see. Robin Art Workshop. Very good actual pinup models. I really do like the pinup models. So we have Casino Bunny Irene for it. And painting that will be a pain in the ass. Unless hopefully it is like that. But I do like that. Renwee Pans Kaiser Kasuru special bonus pinup. And we have 4 Super Soldier, looks like it. Bloodhound, Warhawk, Tempest Ripper. That'll probably be a good proxy for one of your Imperials. Or for a Necronomicon for that as well. And Sasha Girls, based on Sasha Kummel's work. So we have 2 Ludi Goblins and 1 lovely Pixie Fairy. It's actually pretty good looking, actually. I'm going to enjoy getting those this month. Cardoso, anime figure as well. So for this, I don't know if we have anything for April. We got Scream. Looks, I'm seeing Scream rendering. Spider-Man 2099. That's been being rendered. But I do not know. I have this person on the list, so we gotta look at it. So I think after a few, keep seeing like 8, not really, showing much for it. Let's see, April release. We have Siren, Nurse Joy. Don't know her. For next month. So a re-release for it. Let's see here. We did Moid. Penske. It's going to be for Penske. It's going to be, I believe, this is the bonus model. We have your E800s. You actually, get some of these models and use the Terminators as your Necron pieces. That'll be very dope for it. And we do have, I think for the $10 ones, you get like the kind of the sci-fi fantasy version of it. So we have Mad Max. We have John Wick. So I have John Wick. Forgot her name was. But yeah, a lot of stuff here. You can use this for Necromunda. This might be a good one to use for Necromunda, for your Necromunda game, for your proxies. That's how I see this as, unless you use it for D&D Modern for it. And they do have their own war tabletop for this as well. And the model looks pretty good. They got oh my lord. They got the forgot his name. Um Harrison Ford. You can tell they did their face pretty good. And they got the Back to the Future car with a gun. Or probably not, but the monster trucks and everything else. This would be a pretty good car to use for orcs, tell you the truth. Put some orcs in there. You know, get the truck, put some freaking of your orcs, and put your big wog out. This guy's pretty cool as well. I think this one's from Nikita. You have your Dragonborn cyborg for it, and then it's really detailed too. I think this would be also go D&D Modern and Battle Mech Falcon series. That'll be probably good for the Voltan mechs right here. And you have your Predator Monk. That'll look good for the towels. So, like I said, you can do a lot of good proxies with these as well. I think that is mixed in. That's Cyberpunk preview for dudes. But yeah, let me check this. Okay, that's the one for the Cyberpunk one, and this one is the War Dudes. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below. And check out Moid that we're collaborating with as well. Also has the proxy pieces for your Voltan for this month as well. Well, anyhow, leave down in the comments which one you guys like and which one you see more of, or you have a Patreon that you want me to look at. Just let me know. Let me know down in the comments below. Anyhow, guys, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.